Get ready for a musical revolution. Spotify has just dropped a game-changing update that will transform the way we experience playlists. But here's the kicker. It's a feature that could divide opinions. Spotify, the go-to music platform for many, has introduced a new way to customize playlists. With this update, users can now take control of how songs transition and blend together, adding a whole new dimension to their listening experience. It's like having a personal DJ at your fingertips. Imagine being able to fine-tune the volume, adjust the EQ, and create seamless transitions between tracks. Your playlists will no longer be static. They'll become dynamic mixes that you can curate and share with the world. It's a powerful tool for music lovers and aspiring DJs alike. But here's where it gets controversial. Some may argue that this feature takes away the raw, organic feel of a traditional playlist. Is it a step too far or a brilliant innovation? You decide. This update is now live for all premium members. Simply open or create a playlist, click the new Mix button, and let your creativity flow. You can even collaborate with other premium users, allowing them to add their own unique touch to your mixes. Spotify recommends mixing songs with similar tempos and keys for the best results. They suggest starting with dance genres like house and techno, but the possibilities are endless. And if you're feeling artistic, you can even design your own cover art for your mixed playlists, adding a personal touch to your musical creations. So, are you ready to embrace this new era of playlist customization? Will it enhance your musical journey, or is it a step too far? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this exciting development.